Today I'm going to be cleaning the home greenhouse. This is Kimmy and welcome to my channel. I've still got tomato plants in that greenhouse and it won't be long now till that greenhouse is full. I'm going to quickly show you around the greenhouse for a before and then I'll be doing it after. Let's go. It's a couple of days later now and it's been a nice day today. Try and finish that off now, and because I need to get some stuff in from inside, like salad leaves and spring onions. I need to sow my onions because it's getting late now. I am actually a bit ashamed of how the greenhouse was because I've not been very well mentally the last few months and the greenhouse has suffered. I've just abandoned it since, since the tomatoes were still there. And we had Christmas and everything just got, everything was just, you know what it's like. Everything just goes so fast and then so slow. And then before you know it, it'll be springtime and my greenhouse would have still been a mess, so I need to get that done. I'll show you what it looks like. It's not finished, but it will be today. Now I've got all that clean, I'm going to put them on it so I can put the cover back on this and get some seedlings in there. That's on now. That was harder than expected. that's me done for the day. I think the greenhouse is clean enough, and when spring comes I can get all the plants out that need protection over winter and really start to get going with seeds then.